sideways, smack it in the air. Legs move it side to side, smack it in the air.
Why is it so boring?
Yes, it's so boring.
Do you have something to eat, guys?
Hashtag very hungry.
Aren't you famished?
Actually, I'm hungry. I want something. I want to eat something unique and healthy
For my body.
I want something like fries.
Actually, I'm craving for fries.
I know something.
Hi guys, welcome. Let me teach you how to make your own bread fry. But first, you need to prepare all the ingredients needed. Now, for the second step, put the diced carrots, chayote, and potato in the blender. Next, pour the milk and blend it together with the vegetables. Wait until it is blended well. Set aside. For the dough, in a mixing bowl, pour the flour, the egg, and the butter, and mix it slowly. Vanilla and salt. Now, prepare the chopping board to flour the surface. The next step is to knead the dough slowly with rolling pin to achieve the desired thickness of the bread. Using a knife, cut the dough carefully. Once it's done, set aside. In a large pan, heat oil and deep fry the dough. Wait until it turns golden brown. Then drain the oil using a strainer. Finally, serve it with dip.
Here's the food, guys.
So excited.
This is the innovative product of churros and French fries.